Hi friends, Vishnu MSD here. Today I'm going to show you how to hard reset LG device. You can see the LG smartphone in my hand. How to hard reset this device. You can see the model name. Open it. Yes, you can see the model name. LG X2301. That's the model name. And if forgot your password or pattern lock, and then you can try this hard reset option. And how to do that? This is two button here, volume up and down, and the power button here. That's back side. You can see that back side panel. You can see the power button, and this two is volume up and down. And press together this volume button and power button. You can see that volume up and power button press together. Then I doing yes, press together volume up and power button, and the LG logo comes. You can see that, and then release your power button finger, and this screen comes, and you can release also volume up finger, and then press together, and this screen appears. You can try to wipe data and factory reset. If don't have this screen and you cannot do that, wipe data or factory reset. Yes, this screen comes up. You can done with wipe data and factory reset. You can use volume down button to navigate this screen, and also volume up button. And in the fifth option here, wipe data and factory reset. You can see that wipe data and factory reset, and then press power button. You can see that press power button, and again use volume down button and getting to yes. You delete all user data. You can see that delete all user data, and press again power button. You can see the wiping data and formatting data. That's all. You done this hard reset, and press power button again. You can reboot this device. Simple. You can done this hard reset option. Is any device this different from other device like Xiaomi or Oppo device is different, and the LG device you can do this way to format or hard reset your phone. This is not a simple format. This is hard reset. You can shine look from new smartphone when you buy this smartphone, and you can feel look that type, and it comes up LG Let's Good, and wait for a little some time, and you can appear the home screen. Yes, you can see that successfully wiped out my data. That's all, and see you in the next video. Take care and bye bye.